So I have to say, guys, we have already won. We're already winning. Now, you might seem confused that I'm saying this. You might say, well, the price isn't doing that great. We're not exploding at the rate of some other coins. I will say SHIB over the last 3 weeks is only up, 25%. That's fine, right? We're at a time again where we're not going to see these massive gains in a short period of time. But what people need to remember is if you're in crypto right now, if you're in SHIB right now, you've already won. When we go through these adoption cycles, we don't see big adoption happen until late in the bull market cycle. Basically, the last year of the bull market is when the highest rate of adoption is. If you guys are curious about this, you can go check out. There are tons of charts that show this, but that's when people psychologically want to get into crypto, right? When there's green candles throughout the space, when prices are hitting new all-time high, people, they stay away from things that are at low prices because it freaks them out. But they don't understand that historically that's the best time to buy. I've said many times, it's the reason why I have this fire sale box on here. You guys curious where I loaded up on SHIB? Down in this fire sale range. It's exactly where I bought. And guess what? Now some of my buys are up 20, 25%. Now, between here and those lows, it's not that big of a difference, right? Especially when we compare it to all-time highs. But when we look at where all-time high prices are going to be, when there are times of adoption, those people that are getting in at that point are likely going to end up as bag holders for the next market cycle because they're not familiar with crypto bull markets and bear markets and how these market cycles do in fact work. It happens time and time again, right? We can trace back charts all the way to the beginning of crypto history. And every 4 years, we go up, we go through retracement, and then the cycle starts over. We're now essentially at this restart for the cycle. You're here during the lows of the market. We've made it through these times of extreme bearishness, uncertainty, fear, and doubt, right? The biggest things that are crippling the crypto industry right now. And again, we're getting into these times where things are getting exciting again. So you've won by the simple fact that you're here right now when prices are low, when explosive times really haven't happened yet. And hopefully people have been dollar cost averaging, especially if you bought at the height of the bull market cycle. If you haven't done anything to bring down your average buy-in price, I don't know what to tell you. This has been the opportunity to take advantage of these low prices, to take advantage of fear. That's when you should be accumulating. As always, this is not financial advice. You guys can do what you want, but take advantage when people offer you a huge discount, right? If you're at a store and someone thinks a style is going out, right? And they discount it 90% for you and you like what they're selling you, are you going to take advantage of that 90% discount? Probably, right? SHIB is not going out of style, guys. It's geared up and ready for this next market cycle. It hasn't seen this big adoption from outside the space. And guys, it hasn't seen a big adoption from inside the space. Many people in crypto right now, they haven't touched Shiba Inu yet. They haven't looked at it. But what's going to happen when some of these big developments that are taking place from, the chains, the partnerships, the utility, when that really starts growing and evolving, what do you think people inside the space are going to do? They're going to start looking at SHIB. They're likely going to add it as something to their portfolio. Just look at what some of these largest Ethereum whales have done. I remember there was a period of time, I wish the website was still working, the top 100 Ethereum whales, at the height, 16% of their bag was Shiba Inu. 16%. It was the third largest holding that they had in their bag outside of Ethereum. That is very telling. We're just beginning to see this shift. And imagine when it really catches on and it's a trend that the rest of the industry pays attention to. So thought I'd share that with you guys. It's exciting to be in SHIB now. This is essentially the early days of Shiba Inu still. Again, still haven't seen a full bull market cycle, still haven't seen mass adoption, and still haven't seen what can come from the utility and developments that are being created during these times. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.